Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I would like to share one of my favorite tempeh dish called tumis tempeh tauco. It's so yummy and as always perfect to serve with rice. So let's make it! So here are all the ingredients I'm going to use later. I have tempeh, Indonesian style fermented soybean. And later also I'm using 4 different type of chili, all is medium heat. And I have shallot, garlic, and spring onion, sweet soy sauce, vegetable oil, salt, mushroom boyong powder, or you can use chicken or vegetable boyong powder. And here I have tauco, or fermented soybean paste. And also here I have some vegetable oil because later I'm going to deep fry the tempeh. So let's cook it. First I'm going to cut the tempeh into small pieces. If you would like to cut into bigger pieces than this, please, as you wish. I just like the texture on this recipe when I cut it into these small pieces. Let's put it aside. Now let's heat it up the oil. High heat. So while we're waiting the oil is hot, I'm going to slice the shallot, garlic, chilies, and spring onion. Let's put it here first. Slice into small pieces. Let's put it aside. For the chilies, I cut into diagonal. And the last is the spring onion. So now the oil is hot enough. Let's fry the tempeh. Stir it occasionally and turn it over. So make sure all the tempeh cook properly. So I cook the tempeh crispy outside and slightly soft inside. And now it's ready. Let's cool it down a little bit. And next, let's prepare the sambal. I start with turn on the cooker. Add the oil. Add the shallot. Add the garlic. Cook until it's soft. And now add the chilies. So I keep some big green and red chili for the garnish later. Along with spring onion. So cook until the chili and spring onion soft. And now add the tauco. And tempeh. Now add the salt, bouillon powder, and sweet soy sauce. Mix well. Smells so yum. So the tempeh is done. Now let's plate it. Add a big red and green chili as a garnish. So here we are, tumis tempe tauco. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now we are ready with the online cooking class. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. I also write it down my email address in the description below. And if you like my video, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up so I can produce more video in the future. I hope you enjoy my video. Matur suksema, happy cooking. Bye bye.